Tired of losing your work when your internet decides to take a vacation? Today, I will show you how to unlock the offline power of Microsoft Office 365, allowing you to work on your documents anytime, anywhere. First, make sure you have a valid Microsoft 365 subscription. Then, head over to Office.com and sign into your account. Look for the Install Office button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Click on it and select Premium Office Apps from the drop-down menu. This will start downloading the desktop versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office applications. This is the key to offline access, so let the download complete. The file size is pretty big, so go grab a snack while you wait. Once the download is finished, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This will install the full desktop versions of the Office apps on your computer. Look for them in your Start menu or Launchpad. Let's open Word, for example. Now, to ensure seamless offline access, open any Office application like Word and go to the Account menu. It is usually in the bottom left here. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you use to download the apps. This will activate your Office 365 license for offline use. That's it. Now you can work on your Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations even when you're completely offline. Changes you make will be sensed automatically once you reconnect to the internet. Stay productive wherever you are.